You also have the capability in Property Builder to build your elevators in the system. This allows us to restrict what floor a resident can go to. I'm going to choose New Elevator Bank. I'm going to call this Resident Elevators. And it's got some different profiles here I can choose from. I'm going to choose our new Rack 5 remote access controller. That's the one we just released. It's the Rack 5 MFC for multi-floor controller. And this thing can either be run standalone or online. It has built-in network connection on it. So I'm going to save that. We see we have the option for up to 8 panels here, up to 8 relays per panel. That means this thing by default could control up to 64 floors if we wanted it to. Depends on how many relay banks you order with it when you order the elevator controller. So I'm going to put a new elevator in here, and I'm just going to call it Elevator 1, because this is in our resident bank, but we could have multiple elevators there. I'm going to save that. It's going to create this elevator. And Clubhouse is kind of open to everyone, but I'm going to map over these elevators to the different floors. So floor 1, I'm going to put this P1R1. I'm going to grab it and drag it over. Same thing, P1R2. Basically, this is relay board 1. The P1 is relay board 1 or panel 1. And then the R1 through R8 are the different relays on it. So basically what this means is when I trip relay 7, it's going to activate floor 7. Now this will have to be connected to your elevator controller from that MFC, but you see the options you have here. I can add in a lot more. I only have 10 floors here, so I can't go too far on this building unless I make more floors. But there, I've got 2 relay boards in there, 1 through 8 for floors 1 through 8, and then the next relay board, 1 goes to floor 9, 2 to floor 10, and you would continue that on. But that's how I set up my elevator, and I can control actually who goes to what floor this way. Thank you.